We can have all the meetings we want. We can do all the complaining we want about how poorly our country prepared for and managed this pandemic and how broken our healthcare system is. But we need to work for what we deserve. It's like anything in life, you have to work for what you deserve. And the same applies to the legislation that's necessary to pass bills that give us Medicare for all. Now, for those who haven't done this before, I want to tell you this is so easy. It's not going to take a lot of your time, probably less than 3 minutes for each phone call you make. And don't be afraid to do it. You are not going to be talking directly to your senator or your representative. You're simply going to be talking to one of their staffers, and all you have to ask that staffer is, please pass this message on to Senator so-and-so or Representative so-and-so. It is so easy, and there's no need to be afraid. So here's what you do. You just call 202-224-3121. You'll be connected with the Capitol operator. You just tell the operator, I'd like to be connected to, say, Senator Tina Smith's office. Then what you do is you ask Senator Smith to support the bill that involves the Senate, which is the Healthcare Emergency Guarantee Act. That's the Sanders-Jayapal bill. Bernie Sanders, of course, is a U.S. Senator, and Representative Jayapal is in the House of Representatives. But that particular bill involves both chambers, so you need to call both your representative and your senator to ask them to support the Healthcare Emergency Guarantee Act. Also, ask your representative to support the Medicare Crisis Program, because that is a second bill that's in the House only. It's not in the Senate yet, but it's in the House, and so you need to ask your representative to support both of those bills, please. As far as your senator, though, it's only the Healthcare Emergency Guarantee Act, because that's a bill involving Bernie Sanders in the Senate and Representative Jayapal in the House of Representatives. So it's just 3 phone calls. 1 phone call to your U.S. representative asking the representative to support both bills, and 2 calls, 1 to each of your U.S. senators asking them to support the Healthcare Emergency Guarantee Act. While you're at it, when you're talking to your representative, ask them to co-sponsor H.R. 1384, which is the Medicare for All Act of 2019, if they're not already a co-sponsor. If you know that they're already a co-sponsor of that H.R. 1384, thank them very much for being a co-sponsor.